Hello, and welcome back to the rate of return calculator videos. In an earlier video I showed you how you can enter data in fairly free format in the two text boxes up here, the date and the amount. And I showed you how you can delete data and how you can change data by double-clicking on an item here. Of course, you will have more than 3 investments in your portfolio. I'm sure this list may extend quite a way down the list box. Once you've entered in the data, you'd be reluctant to enter it in again. And for that reason, we have a Save button, which allows you to save the data from your list box in a data file on your hard disk. To save data, I click on the Save button, and then I navigate to a drive and path. In this case, I'm just going to my local disk, drive H. And that will put up the path in the data file box. And at this point, I can type in the name of a text file. I've chosen data6.txt. When I click on Save again, the data in the list box will be written to the disk file I nominated here. Your list box continues on here, which means you can continue on putting in new data. The 4th of April 2004, $40,000, for example. That's actually gone in and changed something there. The 5th of May 2005, $50,000, and so on. You can go on appending data to your list box, and then periodically you can go back and resave another copy with a slightly different name, so you have an audit trail of your data sitting there on the hard drive. So much for saving data. What about loading data? Loading data is quite easy. You click the Load button. With the Load button there, you navigate to the folder where your data is stored. I'm going to go back and pick up the very first data file I ever created. When I choose Open, that data is loaded into the list box, ready for me to use. I can see that I made some data entry errors here, so I'm going to edit that. Again, I can take out whatever I want, and when I pop out of the text box, that value is changed. So that's how you save and load data files. You can save a data file for each of your clients, and you can recall it or load it at the appropriate time to update the data or to review what's going on. Thanks for watching. chrisgreaves.com